What's funny is we no longer use all this gear anymore.
I know. It looks like you're selling stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, buy our product.
Of course, you're putting stuff for the actual course to people purchase, correct?
What?
Spencer Cornelius signed up?
I don't know who that is. Is he like a realtor guy?
No, he kind of exposes people that are scamming others.
Wait, what? Alright, we don't have that much time, so we're gonna jump right into it. So, video home tours, right? For every single real estate agent, okay? This is gonna be very important for the next 5 years, because what's gonna happen is if you guys do not jump on social media, you guys will be left behind. There's such a small time frame that you guys need to get in, okay? So let's start off by, where do we actually start? The first thing that you guys need to do is, what type of camera gear I need. As you can see, we have so much type of camera gear. I've been doing this now for about 2 years. We literally have old GoPros from like GoPros 2000, I think like 6. This is like a 7, which is crazy. The good news is that the new GoPros nowadays, with the processing and the sensors in these lenses, wherever you film, the lighting is unbelievable. However, these things can cost you probably about $600 just for the GoPro. Now keep in mind, when you're shooting video, what's important about videos is the quality of the video, but also the audio too as well. You can have a nice video, but if the audio sucks, the whole video sucks. So here what we have is actually a media mod. So basically this media mod allows you to pick up audio in front of you or in back of you, right? Then we also need a gimbal. So the gimbal is basically allows you to stabilize this camera. Now, let's talk about materials and product. How do you know the materials and the product? Well, when you first come to a new homes track, the next thing you do after building rapport is you need to grab one of these sheets. This is important because when you're doing a video home tour, you need to understand the product that you are selling, okay? So like this home right here, we know it's 2,538 square feet, 4 bedrooms, blah, 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 okay? In the back of this sheet, it shows you exactly how many lots are available, and also you're going to have a conversation with that sales agent. How many lots are available? Is there any SIDs and LIDs? What are the HOAs? Now when it comes to products and materials, it's all here. The answer's here. Another thing that you have to take a look at is when you're at the sales office, they have the standard templates of what comes with the build. Have you guys seen that? 3 different cabinets, like the birch cabinet, the standard cabinet. They show you the tile, the flooring, okay? Typically it doesn't come with the backsplash. A lot of builders don't give you a 42-inch upper cabinet. It's only a 36, okay? You already know the appliances are not included, right? The washer, the dryer, and the refrigerator. Some builders may include that. So now that you have a general idea, so now that you have all this thing mapped out, now we actually got to get ready to start filming, right? But before we start filming, you don't just go out and you start filming. We need to talk about call to action. Now, do you guys know what call to action is? Because you can have a great video, you can have great lighting, but if nobody's calling you, why are we even doing this, right? So, call to action. All right, I'm going to show you guys a couple call to action here. This is very important. You guys need to start to create this on every single video. So, a call to action number 1 is basically within the first 20 seconds of your video, right? You need to capture the audience immediately. The first thing that you want to capture them is by sending them somewhere. You have to send them to your squeeze page because you guys could be doing this, you'll be doing it for nothing. What is a squeeze page? Does anybody know what a squeeze page is? Basically, a call to action, when you have a call to action, you're telling that person, go here. Right away, go here, okay? To this website, to this page. So now, if they constantly see this, they know that you are a sales professional. That now they are interested in purchasing a home, this is where I go. This is the man, this is the website. So now they go to this website. These kitchen cabinets.
This bottom right hand corner here,
MC cabinets.
is a watermark.
You guys see this? lvhomeexperts.com. You need to have this on every single video that you do. I don't really care about really branding myself on this stuff, and the reason why is because I'm already branding myself by building the relationships and the rapport, but we'll get into that in just a second. So, we're about to end the video, okay? Folks, this is where we have our call to action. Video home tours. We have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time. Okay. All right, what's the call to action here? I'm telling them, hey, if you guys want more video home tours, check out this video home tour by clicking this link, right? Because YouTube allows you to embed this towards the end of the video. Okay. We also have a QR code. Reason why we have a QR code is because a lot of times, I'm going to say about 85% of the viewers are always watching this at home, right? They don't have a link because it's not on their phone to go to their phone to go to the website. Now they can take out their phone as they're watching this screen and they can click this QR code. I'm engaging with my audience. This is the most important thing that you guys could take away from this, engagement, okay? What I mean by this, I'm building a relationship. Because you can have the coolest videos, but at the end of the day, if you don't have a relationship with your audience, right, on the other side, it doesn't even matter. And what I mean by this is that you have to be yourself. I'm not perfect. Sometimes I stutter. Sometimes I say the wrong things. It doesn't matter. Because the more comments that you have, the better it is. I shoot these videos as I have somebody with me. We're walking, we're talking. I'm also educating, okay? Because this is the style of the video. By educating people. These are things that you have to look out for. This is what I would do, right? Because now we're sharing a value, right? Doesn't mean you have to shoot your content that way. You can shoot any type of content that you want. But you need to find yourself and you have to be yourself. Because at the end of the day, you have over 7 billion people on planet Earth. You're not going to get everybody, and I don't care. I just want people that are going to like me, trust me, like my style, and just dig me. We have the same personality. Okay?
I do that video right there, so the call to action video at the end, is that a generic one, or do you make it specific to that video, or do you use the same video for other videos?
I use this for all my videos. Now, maybe every 90, 60 days, we'll probably change this up because it becomes redundant, right? Even the beginning of the video too as well. Also, another thing real quick, I want to mention that a lot of these agents, some of the luxury agents, they really hold on to their listing. And one thing I want to really encourage you guys is that you guys should all be working together. We're going to start our video home tour. So how do we actually start? After you look at the whole house, you're going to start from the beginning, but you got to understand the surrounding areas, right? You already know what's available. You want to talk about shopping. Also, one thing I've noticed is that people always like to use Harry Reid International as a reference. You don't have to purchase something like this. Nowadays, you could just use your phone, believe it or not. Okay? Because this setup right here is probably going to be about $800 now. You guys have any questions so far?
What about voiceovers, Chakits? What are your recommendations with that? If somebody maybe does the investment of doing the GoPro, but wants to wait on doing everything else with the mic and everything, what would you recommend with that?
Because I'm doing these video home tours, I'm forced to work to do this. And what I mean by this is that if I don't do videos, I get emails or comments, where's the next upload? Where's the next upload? Where's the next upload? Right? So the whole thing about real estate is, it's really not to work in your business. You should be working on your business.
Before you go into the video and all that, but I noticed that in your video, so you're walking in, you walk in the property, but then you show up at the front and then at the end. Do you stop in the middle and also put yourself on camera again and talk about the item or something, or is it just the voice?
That's a good question. So for me, with the video home tours, my style is not to be really in front of the camera. I started merging my second channel with my first channel, video home tours. And we did this, probably about a whole year, right, Rudy?
Yeah.
So basically just kind of like lifestyles of real estate. I wanted to show you my progression as I'm going through real estate. Alright guys, so let me know what your thoughts are about this video, and also if you are a real estate agent and if you're just a regular person out there that want to learn how to make money by doing video home tours through YouTube, we actually have a course called Realtor Academy. I'm going to have a link in the description below. Check it out. Let us know what you think. Peace.